Hey guys, today we are looking at the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones which are recently launched, and I got them delivered just a few hours ago and I was in a little bit hurry, but let's do a quick unboxing and have a look at the build quality and other important stuff like the specs and stuff. So this is priced around 2000 rupees, unlike their previous models which cost over 5000 or so. And let's look at the unboxing first. So here are the earphones themselves, as you can see, and let me just put them aside and let me show you what's inside. So this also supports the warp charging, so that is the fast charging from OnePlus, which is really nice, which we are going to test out very soon. And there is extra ear tips as well, and of course you have the user manual, and that's pretty much it. So looking at some of the important specs, it has the Qualcomm chipset, that is QCC3024, which is basically an entry-level SoC, and it has support for both the AAC and SBC, and also it has the dual mode Bluetooth, which I believe is supporting two devices at a time, and this actually seems to support that, which we are going to test out soon. So that is really nice. So there is also this low latency mode like the Realme Buds Air gaming mode, so that's really nice as well. And also it has the 10 minutes 10 hours charging claim, which we are going to again test that out very soon. You have the IP55 water rating, and there is that magnetic control. You have the Bluetooth 5 9.2 mm drivers. So these are some of the important specs. Now looking at the earbuds themselves, I gotta say, first impressions, they look really solid. I mean, the build quality felt very good for the price. So the neckband is completely flexible and doesn't break, and it is easily pocketable, I would say, so that's really nice. So you have a USB-C port, and strangely there is no flap or any cover, and I'm not really sure how the water rating or the resistance works here, but very interesting to see that. And these are also magnetic, so they don't really hang around your neck, and also they have a function to pause the music as well. And you have the play pause music controls, and there is that mic, and I would say the build quality of these buttons and stuff is really good. So when I paired this with my mobile, you can see the codec details. It is connected to the AAC codec, and of course your phone should also support that, otherwise it will default back to the SBC codec. Of course there is no aptX support here. So I didn't really find enough time to test them out, but first impressions, the sound quality, it sounded alright, but I know it's really vague to say that, but I will be testing this out and talk about the sound quality and all the other stuff in detail in a couple of days. So stay tuned to the channel and also like this video. This was just a quick unboxing, guys. So that's been it. Thanks for watching again. See you soon.